I come to you with a little bit of trash. Oh yeah, this is all I was using in the last couple of months. I finished this Veleda, or Weleda, but it's a German brand, so for sure it's Veleda. 2-in-1 shower and shampoo. This guys, I had it on my vacation. I recently had on Rhode Island, and I use it for both of my kids. They are 1 and 3 years, and I want to say that this is really good. It's very hydrating. I'm not so big fan of the smell, but as a texture and how the skin remains after I wash my baby, their skin it's hydrated and doesn't have any irritation. I don't need to apply any lotion to hydrate their skin, so I will recommend this. And next is this Indian Night Jasmine body cream from Body Shop. Oh guys, this smells divine. I really love the Body Shop products, especially the body butters. This was really hydrating, last me a long time. The smell was divine. If I was applying this, I almost don't need to wear a perfume because the scent it's so strong and it's wear for a long time. My skin feel hydrated and yeah, I really enjoy it. Actually, I have other body lotions from Body Shop in my rotation. Otherwise, I might try to repurchase. Next is this shampoo from Garnier. It is with olive oil. It first came like 2-3 years ago. It was really fantastic for my hair. My big struggle is the dandruff. So as soon as I was using this shampoo, I was completely out of dandruff. Now, after 2 years, maybe my hair got used with this, or maybe I have other problems, but I'm not completely without the dandruff. After a couple of days, the dandruff reappear. So for the moment, I will skip to buy this, but I will think in the future because I really love this range from Garnier. I also have in my rotation now the conditioner and the mask. I finished up a simple size from Vita Liberata. It's self-tanning gradual lotion with marula oil. Guys, this was the first time when I was applying self-tanning on my skin. I got this as a sample in one of my Look Fantastic beauty boxes. I think it was in June or July, I'm not sure. And I started to use it before I going on vacation on Greece. Guys, I really love it. In the beginning, I applied on my face and on my legs and hands, and I saw nothing. So I put more, and still nothing. I said, okay, maybe it's not good, maybe something wrong with it. But after a few hours, I started to have such a nice bronze, such a nice tint on my skin. So it was really fantastic. I think I finished this in probably in 2 days, but I got a really nice tan. Then, of course, because I love it, I went and I bought the full size, which is 200 milliliters, and I enjoy applying. Right now, I'll probably stop using it because the summer it's almost the end, so I will see if I will feel that I need to have some tan on my face. I will apply from now and then. Next product is this hairspray from Wellaflex. It's ultra strong hold. It's 5 as a strongness. I don't have anything against of this hairspray, but the mist is not going toward the direction where I want to spray, and it's also dispersing a lot of quantity. It's not so fine mist. It's almost like a shower, if you know what I mean. So I'm sorry, but I will have to part ways with this hairspray, even if I don't use it even half of it. So I'm sorry. I finished up a gel shower from Yves Rocher, 200 milliliters. If you are not familiar, Yves Rocher, it's a French cosmetic brand. It's often made in Europe, not so often in United States. I don't know if you are able to order it online, but they are producing really good skincare and body care, and they also have cosmetics, but so far I don't have any of their cosmetics. I had before, I think, a lipstick and a foundation, but I really enjoy their shower gels and shower creams, scrubs, face creams and serums and everything which is related to skin. And this it was in scent cotton the flower Mimosa. So yeah, really enjoy this. I finished up this Yves Lom cleanser. I was talking about this in my previous Look Fantastic unboxing video. I really enjoyed it, and I have already another one. I will throw this L'Oreal Skin Perfection. This is a BB cream. It's the type of that you, when you see it's white, and it will take your skin color. It had a really nice texture, but the problem is that I have it for a long time. Here it's mentioned that it's good up to 12 months. However, I think I have mine from almost 3 years. I know this is gross, but I need to do something with it. So right now I will send it to the trash. I will also throw this cream from La Roche-Posay. It's called Nutritic Intense Rich. I have left a bit of this cream, but the problem is that I have opened it for longer than 6 months. Even I see here they are recommended to use it up to 12 months. Usually with my face creams, I throw them out if I open it from longer than 6 months and I didn't use them, because I don't want to have breakouts, irritation on my skin. I opened this cream during winter. It's really hydrating, really nourishing, and I enjoy it because during winter my skin is more dry than it's now. So during night I was using this cream and I really enjoyed my skin felt so hydrated, so wonderful. But as the spring and summer came, I stopped using it so often. So from this reason I wasn't able to finish it. But for sure, if I wouldn't had so many creams that I need to finish right now, I will buy it again. Just one mention, it has a bit stronger scent for my taste, but even this is not a problem to stop me from using it again, if I'll have the occasion. I finished this codali Vino Source Serum SOS Thirst Cleansing Serum for dehydrated skin. This I also got it in one of my Look Fantastic beauty boxes. It was a deluxe sample, 10 milliliters. I enjoy this. It is really lightweight and pleasant consistency. It absorbs immediately on the skin and leave the skin really hydrated. I use this every night after I was putting my retinol and before the night cream. Now we are starting with the makeup. I finished up this Elf lip scrub. It's in shade Sherry Tart. I really love this lip scrub from Elf. This is my second. I had first the original, which is in brown sugar, and right now I have another scent in minty. I believe they have only these three options right now: brown sugar, sherry, and mint. I recommend this. It's good. Doesn't break on the actual tub, and it's lasting a really long time. I use it every morning after I wake up. My lips are really dry, so this is really good, guys. I'm trashing those two lip glosses from Gerard Cosmetics. What I really enjoy on these glosses was the mirror, and the fact that here in the cap it was supposed to have a light. Is not working right now for any of them, but I really love the concept. So you could look in the mirror and do your lips. But the problem is that also they are really old. This is almost gone, and this still I have left something, but it smells funky. So this was in the shade Buttercream, and this was in the shade Salmon. But if you want to try, I recommend those products. Are really good, nourishing, hydrating. They are not sticky. A few more products to go. Here I have a duo. It's a concealer and wake up effect caffeine serum. It's from Alverde. This is a DM cosmetic brand. It's organic brand. Here you have the roll ball, which you apply before, and it will depuff your area. And on the other side, you have this Dove application, and this is in pink shade, and it will tone down your under eye if you have blue skin there. I enjoy this product, but however, this is really old. I think it's older than 3 years, so it has to go. I have one eyeliner. This is from a brand called Lovely, and it is a green eyeliner. It's a brush. I bought mine from a drugstore when I was visiting Poland. I love this, but the problem is that it's also old, and I'm struggling when I'm creating my wing. I need to work really much to perfecting it, and I think it's also not healthy to put on my almost close to my lash area to put some old and expired product, because I will get some eye infection. So I don't want this. So this has to go. Bye bye. And the last products are 3 mascaras. First is this shocking, but I have to toss it out. It's from Yves Saint Laurent. The brush looks like this. This is not completely dry, but the problem is that it's old, because every time I use it, next day my left eye is starting to get red on the lower area. I'm swelling. So for this reason I will not put this on my eyes. The second one is Lash Paradise, or as you can find it in Europe, Paradise Ecstatic. We all know how the wand look like, the hourglass shape. This is a really good mascara and I probably repurchase. And the last product, this fully charged mascara from Pure Cosmetics. And the brush is like this. And this is also old. We reached the end of the box. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if you had one or some of those products and what do you think about them. Will you or will not buy them again? Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to be informed when I upload a new video. I'm looking forward to see you on my next video. Take care. Bye bye.